So I have read this story about a Jamaican man, and this woman is giving me the tea. Let's go, guys. We are going to dive into this tea right now. And I have my review at the end of the story. So I'm going to read it, and then we are going to read it, and then we go dive into the thing. Okay? Hit that like button. It will be greatly appreciated. Hey, hit that like button. It will be greatly appreciated. Big up to all of my Donnas them. It's Donna Marie. I got run out panda one ya and me nah miss a thing. Hit that like button. It will be greatly appreciated. Yes. Hit that like button. It will be greatly appreciated. Somebody tell me in the comment section say they like me see where me a dance. They say they literally like my video because me that dance. Let me dance soon now. Listen to this message. I want to tell me in the comment section. If me I read wrong into it, me I go break down the message piece by piece. I want to tell me. And me I go talk me mind. Alright. So I met a Jamaican man. Or should I say, he met me. When I tell you this man love bombed me at first and just became so blank after. What she mean by that? In love to bombed she. But then he just come blank afterwards. Him not bambed she no more. I guess she don't want to speak what it is, but fear bambed meaning like him love to do it with she. Yeah, at first. And then him just became blank afterward. And then she said this, the emotional and manipulation is insane. Not to mention his illness. And she is a cancer. LOL. She did with laugh. He will not leave me alone. I love his vibes and energy, but when men can be so cold at the same time, never mention how good I look or how much he loves me. It's always so blank. A lot of Jamaican men when we know, them not emotional. They are, I don't know, they don't show affection. And I'm not, I don't know about other culture because we never date other culture. But typical Jamaican man, a lot of them, they don't wear their emotions on their sleeve. You don't know when they loves you. And I'm not asking you, I'm telling you, because I've been there. They don't show that. They just want to be tough. And you see, me as a woman now, I've been with a man and they don't show me that emotional side of them. It's like you're dealing with a robot, you know, and you wake up every day and you wonder what next to this person because they're not vulnerable and they don't show that side of them. I am telling you, a lot of Jamaican man, maybe because of the hard work, how they grew up, lack of love from their parents, you know, they don't have that. They don't show that. And who can you blame for that? Can't blame anybody because we were raised like slaves, a lot of us, and that's all we know. And we tend to project that on other people when they come on in a relationship. And it's not just the men. Some of the women are like that too. Like they are like robots. They are not affection. They don't show emotions. Me is a crybaby. Me ball for everything. So, but at the same time, I can be tough too, you know. But what I'm saying is that this is a man situation, so I'm just dealing with that. A lot of them, I've been there. I talk to guys. I work around guys. I mean, the office that I used to work back home in Jamaica, listen to guys talk. I have man talk every day. I have learned a lot from them, and they are like the same thing. Like so much of them, they have the same values. They share the same things. So I'm speaking because I know that a lot of these men are the same. A lot of them, not everyone, but a lot of them, they don't wear their emotion on their sleeves, and you can't know when they loves you, and they will die inside. Like if you decide, say, okay, I am done with this, and I want to feel that love and compassion for somebody, that person are showing me what I am giving them. You will be putting in the work day in, day out. So as a female, you did it and you work in your relationship. And because they don't give you emotion, drain you. It drains you. I'm not asking, I'm telling you, somebody maybe will come to me. See me, I look every minute. You get what I mean? It drains you. So at the end of the day, them don't get that. They don't get that. They don't know how to be, to show that side. And a lot of them, they're so tough because it's so easy for them to have 3, 4, 5 women. So that is also a big part of why a lot of men don't show them emotion, because they have it all over the place. They're focusing on other women too, that distract them from giving you their all. So maybe him all up in a bomb bed you, but at the same time, him maybe abandon somebody because a lot of them can't satisfy. Them things that the world are done upon them, and they want it, and they have to get it. Then get it, yes, or then get it, yes. So when you take a stop, then can't disease can give them woman and they city. So sometimes it have a lot to do with that. I feel say like them feel like Jamaican man just feel like a lot of them, not all of them. The sinus are drained, guys. Them feel like them are gallus, and them can just run the road. But and when you see a man emotional and show you that vulnerable side, just know say him check for you, and you can see him, and more than likely sometimes him now they are flirt, cause him is a one burner. Yeah, these are things you know when your man is a one burner and him with you. You can know a lot of them. You can know. Now ask him and tell you. You can know by these signs. Them share everything with you. Yeah, then they act like you and them best friend. Not too like them tell you things. Then we share things with you, we are going with them. And also a lot of them not tell you what hurt them, because them feel like them not tell you what go on with them, because them just don't want you to bombard them. If you get what I mean. Them no want you feel like them soft, and them don't want you to say, oh, them want to feel like a man. They don't want to feel like, oh, them are not like a boy, and don't want a woman judge them and feel like say them are not like a boy. So them not show them emotion. A man, them must say a man supposed to be strong, and I put, but I want to see every side of your brother. If me and you together, I want to see everything. Share everything with me, because I want to see it. It's nice to know that side of you, and say your partner trusts you, love you. But I was talking to somebody yesterday, and them say, they asked me a question, and them say, if your husband get bombarded by 5 men and him couldn't defend you, and you were there and he couldn't defend you, would you feel the same way about them? I say, yeah, why not? And the person said to me, I don't think we could have feel the same way as a female. I say, what do you mean? And say, like the situation with TJ with happened in Jamaica. So we say, but that was 5 person bombard him, and him girl get beat up. Him couldn't defend himself. He can't defend himself with 5 man. Defending girlfriend and 5 man. No, that wouldn't change how we feel about the person. So this person is literally saying that TJ is weak, but no, him don't, because it's not like, okay, it's a 1 man thing and you make the 1 man beat up your woman. A 5 man, Uncle Superman can't just beat up 5 man unless he have a peace pan him and he decide to pull it out or whatever. No, him still a hero in my eyesight. I'm still a hero. You get what I say? So at the end of the day, hell no, me not judge him because of that. But as me tell you, a lot of men them just want to look tough, and then don't want a woman feel so them weak. Yeah, they don't want woman feel so them weak because them feel like a woman want a sturdy man. That's why I see some women say they love bad man. Me, no, I don't want that. I would never want to be with a bad man. Nope. I want to be with a gentleman, a man who understand my values and my worth. And that is not some woman love when man beat them up. Huh. No, me here with my 2 years already hear woman say if them man lick them, they don't feel like they love them. Me here with that with my 2 years already at Jamaica. That's sick. That mean you need check out. Go on one mental place, go check yourself out. Because me not tell a lie. Any man who put their hand on me, that and you not live to lick another one. Come here, tell her. I don't know what go happen. You know, so I don't know what they may come up on my skin, me gonna. Anyway, guys, big up on yourself. And remember, hit that like button. It will be greatly appreciated. Hit that like button. Hit that like button. Greatly appreciated. On the time I want to think in the comment section below. Please remember to hit that like button. Okay? Bye.